morning. I'm Brian Tujan, and this is Markets in a Minute for the week of April 27th. Last week saw a continuation of volatility on the geopolitical and equity market front. First, on geopolitics, the future of the U.S.-Iran conflict continued to look murky as peace talks were called off early in the week, only to be put back on the table Friday. This led to renewed strength in crude oil prices, which surged higher against the uncertain backdrop, leaving WTI in the mid-90 range on Friday and Brent above $100 per barrel. As a result, we saw the Bloomberg Commodity Index end the week near its 2026 highs, up roughly 25% for the year, while more energy-heavy indices are higher by 35% or more. Despite these headwinds, U.S. equity markets demonstrated resilience, touching fresh all-time highs. Semiconductors were a key contributor to this, especially Friday following a blowout earnings report from Intel. One thing to keep an eye on, however, is the extreme overbought conditions for the sector. Looking at the benchmark Philly Semiconductor Index, it is currently on an 18-day winning streak, during which it has gained more than 40%. This puts the index at roughly 40% above its 200-day moving average, the highest level investors have seen since June of 2000. Not surprisingly, valuations have also soared, topping 45 times on Friday. Looking ahead to this week, it's going to be jam-packed with market-moving news. On the earnings front, we'll get Q1 reports for a handful of Mag 7 names on Wednesday and Thursday. We have FOMC rate decision midweek, which is generally expected to show no change, but should give some insight into how the Fed is viewing the potential impact of the Iran conflict. And then on the economic front, we'll receive PCE and our first read on Q1 GDP Thursday. With that, I want to thank you for watching this week's Markets in a Minute. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get notifications of future video content. I hope you have a great week.